Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I hope you all are fine. I am fine, and you always get here regarding English related content and English related videos. Yes. And I request you, if you are new here, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for new update and new notification. So if you are also want to talk to me, then my Skype link and my WhatsApp group link has been given in my description box. So guys, without getting any further delay, let's get started. First of all, Arun, Avinash ji, you're most welcome to my channel. And first of all, tell me something about yourself to my viewer. Then we will start my topic.
Yeah. My name is Avinash Sonar. I am from Maharashtra. I have done graduations from North Maharashtra University. I am working in Reliance Infocom Limited as a supply chain manager. I have I have I have two younger brothers. He's working in the private departments. I got married with Damini. He is working in private departments. My favorite my favorite hobbies in cricket and reading and listening. Yeah, mine.
And tell me about your journey learning English. How was your journey? And nowadays what is going on in your life?
Yeah, I have been learning the English since last 3 months, and also I start to the learning English. That time I am very nervous because my English is very weak, so I have no confidence for speaking the front of the persons. So that time lot of the problems, and that time I joined the other class. So that time I learn to the grammars first, and and after that I do the practice every day. And so I joined to the practice session, practice with my friends, my family members. So day by day, so increase my confidence, so I can speak literally front of the persons. But practice is very important. Without practice is not possible to the fluently English.
Yes. Great. And now I am going to move the topic my towards the my topic. What is the topic and today's topic? Okay, and my topic is that why am I feeling nervousness while speaking English? Yes, and how can I get the overcome on this problem? And please share your opinion. What's your point of view? Please share.
Yeah, in my opinion, first things, because learn to the English. First things, you should read the newspaper, books, and vocabulary verbs. So that time you have the lot of the verb and grammar knowledge. So that time you speak the fluently English, and also you are not nervous because you give the any topics, but you have know the vocabulary verb, and so that time you don't speak the fluently other persons. So you do the practice every day. So reading is very important, and after that you build the confidence. You always the practice. You always practice, then automatically build the confidence, and also you are not hesitations, and also you speak fluently front of the persons. So practice is a very important. Reading, listening, and practicing, I think.
Yes, okay, that is great. Yes. And thanks for sharing your thoughts. And now it's my turn. I'm also want to share something. Actually, why am I feeling nervousness and fearness while speaking English? What is the
uh,
reason, and what is the reason behind of fearness? Actually, and one thing, if you are not practicing yourself, if you are not talking to someone, then definitely you will feel agitation, and definitely you will feel nervousness while
yes,
speaking English, while
yes,
speaking
yes,
stranger. And if you are talking with someone, if you are putting so much effort in a day 2 3 hours, then definitely you will not feel the nervousness and fearness. Yes, you say right. And practice makes progress. Yes.
Yes, yes.
and
Uh,
and
we,
reading is also necessary, very necessary. Without reading you cannot form the sentence. When you will read the newspaper, then you can see how to make the sentence, how to form the sentence. Yes. And after reading you can apply in your day to day conversation.
yes, yes,
Yes.
right. Suppose
Yes. And it
you read the topics, okay. After that, you speak front of the camera, front of the mirrors, because you
mirror.
understand the sentence, your mind, and also you build the confidence automatically. But you have no the
Yeah.
idea for the speaking. Yeah, yeah. Continue.
Whatever source you have, then you can use. You have a mirror, you have a phone. Whatever source you have, then you can use. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. And what were you saying? Tell me, please.
Second thing, how how have you been learning the English?
Yeah. That means visualize your goal. What's your main purpose? Yes, visualize your goal. Yes, yes, right.
How long have you been learning the English? Do you
Yes,
understand?
yes. Yes, I understand. And would you like to repeat again?
How long have you been learning the English?
Yeah, you are asking to me.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I have been learning English since sorry, for 2 years, but I have been speaking English only on 2 months.
Yeah, good, good, great. Yeah. Can you share your opinion for the how to remove the hesitations?
How to remove the hesitation?
Yes,
Yeah, actually, you already mentioned it, and I already mentioned it. If you want to overcome on this problem, then you need to practice. You need to practice yourself. Please pick up any topic, whatever topic you have. Not a very big topic, not very great topic. You can top easily topic and start to speaking in front of the mirror. Not in front of the mirror, it is very better for you. You are talking in front of the camera. If if you will if you will talk in front of the mirror, then you can watch your video again and again, and in this way you can rectify your mistake. Yes.
yes, yes,
And if you
right.
will if you will practice in front of the mirror, then you cannot watch it again. Yes, that's why.
Yes,
And
when I do the practice alone, that time I speak very fluently English. But that time I front of the
yes,
two or three persons, and also I turn on the camera. That time I am the very nervous, so I can't understand the property the sentence in my mind. So because practice is very important for front of the camera.
yes. And as well. And confidence is very necessary. If you have
Yes,
confidence, then but problem is that the question arises that how can I get the confidence? How can I get the confidence? Actually, it is totally depend on the practice. It is totally depend on the practice. And your focus should be on the knowledge. You you need to gathering the knowledge. Yes.
I'll always
Yes.
take the knowledge skill,
Yes.
and
If you
after that
have
automatically
if you
build the confidence.
yeah yeah, if you don't have knowledge, then you cannot express your thought. Suppose that
Yes.
you are someone is asking to you, and have you visit have you visited the Mumbai? Yes, someone is asking to you, if you will, if you, if you, if you will visit, then you can express your thought. If you are, if you don't have any idea, and you never visited the Mumbai, then you cannot and share your thoughts.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
it is a just, yeah, it was a, just an example. Yes.
Yeah, great explain.
Yes. Okay. And that's all for this session. And if you have any, if you have any suggestion, and if you have any your, if you have any thoughts, would you please share me. uh,
Yeah, I think I have the one questions. Because
yes.
that time suppose any person's the learner, so that time this person's are very confusing. How to start the learning the English. So that time he first listening the songs, watch to the movie, reading the books, and but he ignored to the grammars. But grammar is very important. Speak the English because basic grammar is very important. Because he understand the basic grammar, so he make the perfect the sentence. So he don't the mistakes, and also he that time the speak to the front person, so he easily speak and he share the opinion easily. So that time he build the confidence immediately. But you have no idea for grammar, so the lot of the mistakes, and in the front of the person the correction you are the mistake every time. So that time he automatically less the confidence. So grammar is very important.
Yes, 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 grammar is important, but if you are beginner, then you don't need the more grammar. Yeah, you need to tenses and modals. Yes,
Models.
basic grammar. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, Avinash ji. And
Okay,
that's all for this session. Yeah, we will meet next day.
okay,
And
okay, bro. Thank you
yes,
for join.
yes, yes. Thank you for coming on my channel, and thanks for giving your precious time to me. And mm, I hope, you will meet again.
Yes, yes, definitely. I will meet again.
Again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night. Have a nice night, and
Yeah,
take
good night.
sweet dreams. And you get up early in the morning with the great happiness, great joy.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.